Welcome to Option Trades Today. I'm Tony the Bat Batista, and I have a trade idea for you today. February 21st, 2023. What do I have for you today? Well, let's take a look at what's going on in the market first. Even the S&Ps seem to be imploding, down 66 handles. That's 66 points on the E-mini S&Ps. You can see here that's just about 1.5, a little over percentage in the market. NASDAQ down almost 2%. Across the board, volatility expanding, volatility up $1.50. It just made a recent high. You can see here volatility expanding over the last couple of days. And when I see that type of thing, it allows me to take a look at something that I don't have a position in, SPY, which now has a 28% IV rank. The Qs, which are going to have a much larger IV rank, 20. Remember, these were all in the single digits or teens just a couple of weeks ago and for the last couple of weeks. Let's take a look. As you can see, the Qs here up 4% over the last 5 days is the IVX 5-day change for the Qs. Here is SPY up around 3% with a 28% IV rank. Remember now, IV rank is this number on the left-hand side here that shows you the monthly implied volatility. This monthly implied volatility here on the right-hand side of the Tasty Trade platform, it gives you how high is it relative to itself on a scale from 0 to 100. Now, this was back in the teens not too long ago, just the last couple of days. So you see how volatility, another way of looking at here on the chart on the bottom right, has been expanding. So I'm going to go to a product that's 10 times as large as SPY, and put in SPX. That's a fat finger mistake there for you. I apologize. Now remember, SPX and SPY are the exact same thing, only SPX is 10 times as large. So I'm going to use a lot less contracts while taking a look at this. And as a matter of fact, I put it up here for you what I'm doing. What am I looking to do here? Because volatility has expanded, because I'm omnidirectional and slightly bullish, I'm going to put on a put broken wing butterfly. Now, I've had a lot of success with these broken wing butterflies because they're directional in nature and also take advantage of a little bit of volatility contraction. Here are the strikes. We're going to have to go way, way down here because you have almost a 90% pop on this trade. I'm risking 2 to make 1 with a 90% profit. What do I mean by that? I'm long 1 of the 3,700 puts. I'm short 2 of the 3,650 puts. That's $50 wide. Now I'm going twice as wide. I'm going $100 wide. I'll try to get this on the screen for you. There you go. I'm going $100 wide with my broken wing butterfly. So I'm selling 1 of the 3,650 puts right here, and I'm buying 1 of the 3,550 puts, so it has a defined risk trade. The defined risk is the width of the strikes, meaning I'm $50 wide by $100 wide, minus the credit I received, and I did get filled at $3.20. Now, I got filled when E-mini S&Ps were sitting right here. You can see that when you go here to our follow page, click on the follow page, you click on my name or any of the people who have made trades on the new Tasty Trade platform. You click on SPX. I said I've reduced my size because it's such a large product. My patent pending special broken wing butterfly. That's just a joke there for you. Omnidirectional bullish trade, and that is for real, meaning we really are making this trade, and it is an omnidirectional bullish trade. If you wanted to see just my trade, you can click on Bob the Trader down here on the bottom, and they'll have all of the trades that I've done. And if you want to go specific to symbol and take a look how I've done on these SPX trades, you can put SPX on the top here, and it'll be all the different trades. You'll notice I haven't put on another one of these trades since early January, about a month ago, and in December I was putting on quite a few of these and having some really nice profits in all of them. You can see when I put these on, I put them on all around the same probability of success in the high 80s, 85 to around 90. And I've been able to close them. You can see here by the dates a couple of days later, sometimes the very next day. But again, subject to change because it is a delta long position. Here it is a $150 long delta. Obviously, that delta in SPY is going to be 10 times as much. When you beta weight it, it's 15 deltas, just moving that decimal point over ever so slightly. It's about $5 in theta decay. You want to see a good way of checking that out? Well, this trade that I'm doing right now has 58 days to it, right? 58 days before expiration. If I click on this expiration here, minus sign, I'm going to move it from 58 days to 52 days. And look at this. It's trading for $2.80, $2.90. Let's go back to our original trade. Here it is trading at $3.20. Well, 5 times 7 is approximately $30, $35. And look how much this spread has moved. It's the exact same strikes. Again, the markets get a little bit wide here. You can see how they're a little bit wide here. But it's a good way of testing or looking at how this position will do without any movement in SPX, and or if volatility contracts, it will work even better for us. Again, I'm looking at doing this trade. It's an omnidirectional bullish trade. I got filled at $3.20. Maybe as volatility expands here a little bit more, or the E-mini S&Ps go a little bit lower, you'll be able to get filled a little bit better than I did. But please, you know what you can do? You can still move your account to tastytrade.com. I know it still says Tastyworks in the upper left, but that'll be changing here shortly. Please open, move, or send your account to tastytrade.com and take advantage of all of the different features that we have on the platform. And even more than that, some of the great perks we have for bringing your account or opening a new account to the award-winning Tasty Trade platform.